How to fix Steam pending transaction error. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can fix Steam pending transaction error. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up Steam and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're here, navigate to your profile at the top right corner, click on your profile name. Here click on account details. So once you're under your account page, navigate to the section that says store and purchase history. Here you have to click on view purchase history. So under this page you will find all of your purchase history. From here you have to select your recent purchase. Now in order to fix, or if there's any problem in the transaction or if it says pending, then all you have to do is delete your transaction or delete your purchase. Select the item and then you could simply cancel the item or delete the items, and with that your problem will also get solved. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.